All right, pick is in. Jimmy, he's finally off the board. I'll let you say it.
Sekou Doumbouya is going to the Detroit Pistons. I love this pick. Can I grade it? Let me grade it.
Grade it right now.
A+ pick for the Detroit Pistons. Look, I love the guy. Great athlete, a great shooter. That's what they needed in Detroit. He starts right away. Oh, man. Ooh. Sekou Doumbouya, Blake Griffin, Andre Drummond. You start, I don't know, I guess Reggie Jackson and...
That's some length out there, man.
I love it. I love this pick. I don't love the team Detroit has, but that gives Doumbouya a lot of time to develop, a lot of ability to expand his offensive game. He's still 18. He's the youngest player in this draft.
Doesn't turn 19 till December.
I would love to see everybody else's grades and see if they love it as much as me.
I see a lot of A's coming in.
Give me some.
I do see some F's and some D's, which I figure people who just aren't familiar with.
It kind of seems like it's one way or the other because he is a foreign prospect, so it's kind of hard to get a read on him. Last season in France, pro, 7.8 points per game, 3.3 rebounds. None of this really matters because he was playing in a pro league where they didn't want to play him all the time. Great three-point shooter, though. In his best game ever, 34 points. That was his breakout game. 3 of 4 from 3 in the French Cup game. Doumbouya is a great pick for Detroit.
I like this move here. Again, he's very young, played in France this past year, spent most of his life up there as well. Maybe you can even do some fun small ball lineups with Doumbouya at the 4 and Blake at the 5.
Got to add weight.
Got some upside.
Definitely has to add weight. And Drummond, Drummond's great. So.
Look, he's still an upside swing.
Yeah.
But here at 15 at the end of the lottery, that's
Steal.
a no-brainer.
I had him at 8.
Yeah.
I had him at 8.
Yeah. All right, folks. So again, grade that pick A, B, C, D, or F.